Good day everyone, I am Cadet Audrey Cantiga, and today I'm going to discuss about MARPOL Annex V and VI. MARPOL Annex V is the regulation for the prevention of pollution from garbage from ships. It entered into force on December 31, 1988. It specified the distance from the land in which materials may be disposed of and subdivide different types of garbage and marine debris. So the requirements are much stricter in special areas. But perhaps the most prominent part of the annex is the complete banning of dumping of plastics into the ocean. This annex has 9 regulations such as definition, application, dispose of garbage outside special areas, exceptions, reception facilities, port state control and operational requirements, and last but not the least, placards, garbage management plan, and garbage record bookkeeping. In special areas, the following garbage shall be made as far as practicable from the nearest land, but in any case, it is prohibited if the nearest land is less than 25 nautical miles from the dunnage lining and packing materials, which will float, and 12 nautical miles for food waste and all other garbage, including paper products, rugs, metals, bottles, etc. The special areas are Red Sea, Black Sea, Baltic Sea, Mediterranean Sea, Gulf areas, North Sea, the wider Caribbean, and the Antarctic Sea. Now let's proceed to the Annex VI, which is the regulation for the prevention of air pollution from ships. It entered into force in May 19, 2005. It introduced requirements to regulate the air pollution being emitted by ships, including the emission of ozone-depleting substances such as nitrogen oxide, sulfur oxide, volatile organic compounds, and shipboard incineration. This annex has 12 regulations, including survey, certification, its means of control, and regulation requirements for control of emission from ships. This annex has 6 important words to be defined, such as continuous feeding. That means the process whereby waste is fed into combustion chamber without human assistance, while the incinerator is in normal operating conditions, with the combustion chamber operative temperature between 850 and 1200 degrees Celsius. Emission means any release of substances subject to control by this annex from ships into the atmosphere or sea. Nitrogen oxide technical code means the technical code on control of emission of nitrogen oxides from marine diesel engines adopted by the Conference Resolution 2. Shipboard incineration means the incineration of waste or other matter on board were generated during the normal operation of that ship. Shipboard incinerator, on the other hand, means a shipboard facility designed for the primary purpose of incineration. Emission control area means emission control area where the adoption of special mandatory measure for SOx or sulfur oxide and NOx nitrogen oxide emission to prevent, reduce, and control air pollution from those substances. The emission control areas are the Baltic Sea area, North Sea area, North American area, and the United States Caribbean Sea area. That would be all for this topic. Goodbye.